Assalamu alaikum, dear Arabic learners. A dedicated sister from Sri Lanka requested I provide some practice on the topic of lesson 2. So today is a continuation of lesson 2 with some extra practice on definite and indefinite nouns. Even if you have mastered lesson 2, I still advise you to watch this video as I used Quranic verses as practice. I am Afifa and I welcome you to my Quranic Arabic Simplified Lesson 2. Today's lesson will cover definite and indefinite nouns. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So before we start practicing indefinite and definite with Quranic examples, let me quickly go over the definitions again in English and in Arabic. So if you tell me, can I have a book? I can just give this to you because you didn't ask me for any specific book. You said, can I have a book, right? Any book. So this a in Arabic is represented by this tanween, which is you hear the sound of the nunation. You hear the sound of the noon at the end of the word. Okay, if you don't understand what is tanween, please let me know. InshaAllah, I can produce another video on it. But a tanween can be the double dhamma, like we see here, kitabun. It can be double fatha. So it can be kitaban or it can be kitabin with a double kasra. Okay, so tanween is the marker for an indefinite noun in Arabic. Another example is right here. Kursiyun. So in English, that is a chair. And in Arabic, it is represented by this tanween at the end of the word, right? So that is a chair, kursiyun. Now, let's say you ask me, where is the book? The book. So now you're looking for something specific. So this is represented in English by the addition of this the. In Arabic, the first thing you would do is not have a tanween anymore. Okay, no tanween, and you would need an al in front of the word. So it becomes al-kitabu, the book. Okay, so you cannot say al-kitabun. You cannot have the tanween sound and with an al. That is incorrect. Okay, so it is al-kitabu makes it definite. Al-Kursiyu. Okay, the only exception is proper names. So if you are looking for the boy, Muhammadun, you're looking for a specific boy. So it's already definite by its nature. So you don't need to put al in front of the name because they are already definite. Even though tanween is present at the end of it, Muhammadun, it is still definite. You don't need the al because names are definite by their nature. Okay, so now let's start our practice with the Quran. So I know the Quran may appear difficult for you because you are beginners, but it helps to get started with the Quran and try to understand whatever you can. So these are all verbal sentences, and I did post a video, lesson number 8, on introduction to verbal sentences, and you might want to take a look at that. But I'll quickly explain to you that verbs will always have a subject. Whenever you have a verb, there's always a subject who does the action of the verb. So here, qala means he said. So who said? Nuh said, right? So Nuh is the subject. Okay. So Nuhun. Now, is this definite or indefinite? It is definite, even though there is a tanween at the end because we said names are definite by nature. We are talking about someone specific here, right? So Nuhun. You don't need that al here in front of his name. Okay. The next verse is wa, as I said before, means and. Okay. This is a verb, inshaqqa. Okay. Verbs we study in the future, but we know that it has a subject. And here, the subject of this verb, inshaqqa, which means split, is the moon. So it's the moon that split. Okay. So al-qamaru is the moon. Is it definite or indefinite? It is definite because it has the al in front of it and no tanween. Okay? And another verse, again, wa came, which means and. Okay, this is a verb. Ja'at, it means came. Okay, so here the subject of this verb is the caravan, right? So the Arabic word for a car or a caravan is sayyaratun. Okay, so is this definite or indefinite? It is indefinite. Why? Because look at the marker at the end. It has the tanween dhamma, right? At the end. So it is indefinite. Sayyaratun. A caravan came. Right? Here the moon was split. So let's look at more examples. Again, they're all verbal sentences. So the first one is ja'ala, which is a verb. It means he made. So here the subject is Allah because Allah made. Allah made what? Allah made the Kaaba right here. Allah made al-Ka'bata. So is this definite or indefinite? It is definite because it has the al in front of it, right? Okay. Next sentence is wa, which is and. Now the next verb is daraba. So this word can mean to hit. It can also mean strike, as in striking an example here. Okay. So here the subject is Allah because Allah sets forth this example, right? So here Allah sets forth masalan, which is an example. Is this definite or indefinite? It has a tanween at the end, so it is indefinite. Look here, an example. Okay, so in English the marker is an, and in Arabic it is this tanween. It is tanween with double fatha here. Okay, and the last example is fa ba'tha. So here there's actually two words. The fa means then, and then ba'tha means to send. So again, Allah is the subject. Allah sent what? He sent guraban, a crow. So is this definite or indefinite? It is indefinite because it has a tanween, again double fatha, right? Tanween, double fatha at the end, which is a crow. If you are regular with watching these videos, you will succeed in mastering Quranic Arabic, InshaAllah. If this video benefited you, please do like and subscribe and keep watching these short Arabic videos. Subhanaka wa bihamdika la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.